Hi there, students. To splurge. To splurge out. To splurge out on something. Okay, so to splurge can be either a verb, transitive or intransitive, and it can be a noun. To splurge means to spend a lot of money on stuff, yeah, especially expensive things. So I splurged out on a new suit. I splurged on a new suit. The out is optional. You can add it. It just adds a bit of emphasis. Yeah? He's perfectly able to splurge £10,000 in a month on restaurants and champagne. This is like to splash out on something, to spend lots of money. Yeah? Spending money on something expensive. Let's see, I try to be economic and not spend lots of money, but from time to time it's nice to splurge on something nice, to do something special. Okay, so to splurge, to be extravagant. Yeah, he went on a splurge. Yeah, okay, an annual pre-Christmas splurge, spending lots of money. I splurged on all the food I like so that I'm going to be able to eat it on my birthday. Yeah, this is to indulge yourself in extravagant expenses, in luxury. Yeah, to spend extravagantly or wastefully. Yeah, so it could be nice to splurge in a fine restaurant, to splurge on a good meal. Yeah, I guess you could also probably use this to say an extravagant display, as in a splurge of beautiful flowers. Okay, so to splurge, to spend something lavishly or extravagantly, especially money. Yeah, he decided to splurge on the most expensive wines in the restaurant. Yeah, it's like an extravagant spending spree. Notice the basic meaning, I think, or the original meaning of splurge is to squirt out, to gush out, but something that's rather viscous, rather thick as well. So the tomato sauce splurged all over my t-shirt. Yeah, I put the mixer on and the contents splurged everywhere. I think it's got this idea to splash out everywhere. And that's the basic meaning of splurge, but nowadays we use it informally to say a spending spree, to be extravagant, yeah, to indulge yourself, to splurge on new clothes, yes, to spend a lot of money all at the same time. Yeah, I splurged on gifts for all my friends. Okay, I think that's the idea of splurge. I think splurge is an informal word. I'm going to give it 3.5 informality. I think just use it informally. Yeah, I don't think I would use it any more than that. And then as to origin, I think it's a mixture of the verb to splash and to surge, so a surging splash. Yeah, I splurged sauce all over my shirt again. Yeah, surge and splash. So what was the last thing you splurged on? What was the last thing you splurged out on? Yeah, I like to splurge from time to time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Splurge. Splurge out on something.